My name is Rowena. I am the Business Development Manager for Fairmont Resort and Spa up in the beautiful Blue Mountains. We really wanted to create something different, something very memorable to obviously go with our brand. Fairmont is part of the M Gallery collection of hotels, and being part of M Gallery is all the hotels in that collection are the gateway into another world, basically. M stands for memorable moment, and as you can see here, there's a fantastic story to be told. Alison's been painting this over the last 3 days, and it's really come to life, as you can see. We love it. It's just captured everything that we offer up in the mountains. Also, obviously, with William Englis Hotel. It's all about adventure. You can see the nature, the colours just pop. It's just telling a whole story. As you can see, this is absolutely fantastic. It's been a talking point from the conference. So we're really, really happy and we're thrilled, and it's something really, really different and a different way to get your brand across and your lovely hotel across.